Love, take it off.
Alright, hey, my name is Anderson. Welcome to the RWC Cycling Studio. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and set up our bikes here. So we're going off of coaching by color. So we're going to want to go ahead and set this up properly so that you get the best experience possible. First things first, when you start cycling on the bike monitor will turn on. At that point, you're going to see 4 different options. Quick start up until power tests. What we want to do is we want to go ahead and scroll down using the arrow keys at the bottom of the screen, going to power training and hitting check. Once you're there, it's going to ask you if you want to go ahead and pair the app. You can say yes or no depending on if you have the app or not, and we will provide separate information on that. For now, we're going to assume that we are not pairing the app. Assume you are a new patron so that you can go ahead and set yourself up from scratch. The next question you'll see is regarding your fitness level. From very low to very high, there are 5 stages here. Here, we can go ahead and select your relative fitness level. Starting with, we can go ahead and say very low. Then your gender, it'll ask you your gender, male or female. Go ahead and select that accordingly. And then it'll ask you for your weight. Here's the actual thing though. Your fitness level, your gender, and weight, all of those will combine to give you an estimated FTP. And what that stands for is functional threshold power. So again, functional threshold power. Pretty much what that is it pretty much balances the playing field for everybody in the room. So basically, there are 5 color modes in the class, and those are depending on the effort level that we're giving relative to ourselves and not anybody else. So for example, if I am in green, so there's white, blue, green, yellow, and red. If I'm at green and my partner is in green, we could be giving a totally different amount of power, but we're working at the same effort level relative to our bodies. So that's a quick little short explanation of what FTP is. And so now I'll go ahead and go over the proposed estimates for different types of people or different populations. So generally, if you are a female, generally you want to go ahead and set your FTP anywhere between 95 and 125 if you are a beginning cycler. Our more advanced riders, we will go ahead and gauge our FTP from class to class, and we do recommend that you raise it with the more experience that you have. So for now, if you are a female, again, between 95 and 125 FTP, if you feel like it's your first time and you're pretty adept or you're a pretty fit person, we'd go ahead and recommend that you start off between 115 and 125. If you're super new and you really just want to learn the mechanics to begin with, we'd stay closer to 100 or 105. So for my male students, for my male patrons, I would recommend starting off anywhere between 140 and 170. Again, depending on your perceived fitness level, we're going to want to go ahead and stay closer to 140 or 170 accordingly. So, heart rate sensor pairing, you can hit no, since we probably don't have one. Color mode, you can hit on or off. Go ahead and hit on. Reading that medical disclaimer, we're good to go, and you can confirm. And so, I'll go ahead and start off at 80, and then I'll just go ahead and keep adjusting the resistance to change the colors. I want to pay attention to that percentage at the bottom. That's what we need to pay attention to. So once it hits 56, you'll see that the bike will turn blue. Once it hits 76, the bike will turn green. Once we reach 91, the bike will turn yellow. And once that percentage hits 105, we'll turn red. At 125, we'll turn into red 2. Then at 150 plus, that'll be red 3. Yeah, this is like our sprint zone. You're gonna hold this for 30 seconds at a time. And there we go.